My screwdriver broke. No power. Not sure what happened. Let's see if we can take a look inside here and find out. I was in here not that long ago to replace the battery, and it had been working very nicely ever since. And then the other day it just quit. So let's see if we can find out what's going on here and see if we can get it going again. There's 2 screws under the sticker. Here's one of them. And then there's one on the other side. It's about halfway down. We gotta go a ways here. I don't remember why, but I recall last time it being very difficult to get this thing apart. You know, like the plastic snaps or something were just difficult to work with. It doesn't seem to be the case this time. Alright, so let's see what went wrong. Yeah, I think I see what went wrong. The soldering came undone from the battery. So if we put that back, it's working. Okay. Well, that's annoying, but that's an easy fix. That's just a minor nuisance repair. Alright, it's time to get the soldering iron out. I don't like soldering to batteries because it's hard to get the surface of the battery hot enough while still being safe. That's not great, but it'll work. Well, maybe it won't. Huh, that's a connection issue somewhere else. It's not down there. I don't know where it's losing it from. Huh. Definitely needs to be able to work in that angle, so what's the problem? Some other connection failing on the battery? Oh, maybe it is that connection still. Okay, I guess it is still that connection. This is really turning into a freak show down here. The way this connection is. It just does not like to stick to that battery end. You should get some flux and try it again with the flux, maybe. Too bad. Okay, I think we have a good repair this time. Seems like a good connection. Yeah, it doesn't look good, but it looks like it's securely connected. Okay, that'll work until it breaks again. Glued this thing last time. I'm not sure if the glue is going to keep sticking around. I just put a piece of tape over it. I don't know. We're back in business. Okay. That is repaired.